Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can edit pages on Squarespace. For this particular task we want to log in into our Squarespace account to get into our workspace. That's a lot of spaces, but we'll figure it out together. So once we're in our workspace, we're already logged in, we want to pick a website that we want to work on. In my case, I have two of them, but I want to focus on the first one. So I'm gonna click on Go to Website. Once I click there, I'm in the website editor. And I want to focus on the left sidebar at this point. So here, I want to click on the very first option in this left sidebar, which is Pages. We want to stay on the left sidebar and click on, for example, we have a couple main navigations here: Store, Shop, About, Contact, and Stockist. I want to go and click on About. Here is this little wheel that I want to click on. So there are general options of this page itself: Enable Page, URL Slack, Navigation Title, Page Title, and many more. Those are the general options. If you want to just play around with the pages itself, click on Edit on top corner of your screen, and here you can add the sections, delete the sections, or edit it in any kind of a shape. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.